Hello and hi to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. Once again I am here with a very interesting question, and the question today we are having that is, in a certain company the ratio of the number of manager to the number of production line worker is 5:72. If 8 additional production line workers were to be hired, the ratio of the number of managers to the production line workers would be 5:74. How many managers does the company have? So it is a very easy question. It is requested to those who are newcomer, please support the channel Aptitude Math Learner and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So here we take that is, let the number of manager be that is in the ratio that is 5x. So we have just taken x, and the workers be that is in the ratio that is 72x. So we have just taken for the manager that is 5x and for the worker that is 72x. So here we have that is 5x upon 72x. And now if you see in the question, so it says that if 8 additional production line workers were to be hired. So here we hire, or we add 8 more production line workers, and now the new ratio will become that is 5:74. So after adding 8 additional production line worker, we get the new ratio that is 5:74. So now we have to find out the number of the manager in the company. For this we cross multiply it. So here we get that is 5x multiplied by 74 is equal to 5, and this portion goes upward. So this becomes that is 72x plus 8. Now 5 multiplied by 74 we get here that is 370x is equal to 5 multiplied by 72 that is 360. 360x plus, and 5 multiplied by 8 that is 40. Now if you see this is x and this is x, so for here we get 370x minus, so this portion goes this side and it becomes minus 360x is equal to 40. So this becomes that is 10x is equal to 40, and x is equal to 40 divided by 10. So here 0 0 cancels out, and we now get the value for x that is 4. So this is the value for x. Now the thing which we have to do, we have to find out the number of manager, and the manager is in the ratio that is 5x. So therefore
number of managers.
So how much is the ratio? That is 5x. So this is 5x. So here this becomes that is 5 multiplied by 4. So 4 is the value of x, and this becomes that 5 multiplied by 4 that is 20 managers. And this is our answer. How much? That is 20 manager, and 20 is our answer. So I hope you have completely understood the question and the method for solving. So don't forget to subscribe the channel. So thank you very much.